Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best smart alarm clocks in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Hatch Restore Sound Machine Sunrise Alarm Clock Smart Light with Color Library. Customized sleep routine, bedside reading and night light, white noise, natural sleep aid for adults, gentle wake up. Sleep better. Personalize a sleep-wake routine to help you fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up refreshed. Wake up naturally. Gently wake to a custom sunrise alarm clock that supports healthy cortisol levels. Sounds plus lights plus more. Create a mood anytime with a library of soothing sounds, white noise, and lights at your fingertips. Relax with a soft glow reading light without the eye-straining blue hues. Expand your library. Your Restore comes fully loaded with high-quality nature, sounds, and white noise to drown out distractions and help you drift to sleep. Number 4. Lenovo Smart Clock Essential with Alexa built-in, digital LED with auto-adjust brightness, alarm clock with speaker and mic, compatible docking, misty blue. The Lenovo Smart Clock Essential is a clock with a speaker and Alexa built-in. Set timers, alarms, reminders, and add anything you need to your Amazon shopping cart by just saying it out loud. The big and bold LED display gives you more than just a time at a glance. Instantly know the weather, humidity, and temperature outside from across the room. This smart alarm clock is your nightstand companion, with an auto-dim display for a peaceful night that still lets you see the time when you need to. Tap on top to dismiss an alarm or snooze. We put privacy first. There's no camera on this smart clock. Plus, you can turn on the mute switch to disconnect the mic. Number 3. Lofty Alarm Clock. Bluetooth smart with speaker for custom alarms, wellness content, white noise, and nature sounds built-in adjustable nightlight. Black top. Wake up refreshed. Say goodbye to groggy mornings. Our revolutionary alarm clock harnesses a two-phase system that mimics your body's natural waking process. Customers rave about feeling rejuvenated, invigorated, and ready to conquer the day. Transform your sleep routine. Indulge in a personalized bedtime ritual. Enjoy breathwork, sound baths, and guided meditation for a truly relaxing experience. Immerse yourself in dozens of calming sounds and captivating bedtime stories that transport you to a tranquil slumber. And the best part? Your device receives new content updates from Lofty, ensuring a fresh, evolving experience at no additional cost. Bedtime for you and your phone. Foster a serene bedroom environment free from digital distractions. Number 2. Amazon Echo Dot. Latest release. Your assistant at home. With big vibrant sound, clear vocals, and Alexa charcoal. Our best sounding ECHO yet. Enjoy an improved audio experience compared to any previous Echo Dot with Alexa for clearer vocals, deeper bass, and vibrant sound in any room. Your favorite music and QNTNT. Play music, audiobooks, and podcasts from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, and others, or via Bluetooth throughout your home. Alexa is happy to help. Ask Alexa for weather updates and to set hands-free timers. Get answers to your questions and even hear jokes. Need a few extra minutes in the morning? Just tap your Echo Dot to snooze your alarm. Keep your home co-MFO or TABL. Control compatible smart home devices with your voice and routines triggered by built-in motion or indoor temperature sensors. Number 1. Philips SmartSleep Connected Sleep and Wake Up Light. Personalized sunrise and sunset. Sleep Mapper app enabled. Sleep environment tracking. HF 3670/60. Personalized Wawaki Wind app enabled customization of sunset and sunrise. Smart FEA2REs, Midnight Light, FM radio, phone charging dock, alarm power backup, speaker, auxiliary connection, power wake alarm, auto-dimming display, smart snooze, and by track sensor measures bedroom sleeping environment. Mood and energy. Proven to give you an easy and energetic wake-up and improve your mood in the morning *****. Be tiny routine. Relax breathe light guided breathing helps you relax to sleep. Dusk simulation helps you fall asleep more peacefully.